Hi, this is Mrs. Nelson, and I'm here with my daughter, Grace, and we're going to teach you how to play a game called Guess My Number. For this game, you need a piece of paper that is divided into 3 columns. One for your guess, one for your digits, and one for your places. And then you need a writing utensil. So I'm going to use a Sharpie, a pencil, a pen, anything is fine. And of course, you need a partner. So I'm going to start the game, and we're going to start it with a 3-digit number. As you get more used to the game, you can make it more challenging by using a 4-digit or even a 5-digit number. But today we're going to start with a 3-digit number. So I have randomly chosen a 3-digit number, and I've written it down on this paper, and I'm going to show you. But Grace is going to look away because you don't want to show your partner. Okay, so that's my number. Now Grace is going to make a guess, just a random guess of what my number might be.
273.
Okay, so I'm going to record her guess, 273. Now go ahead and look away so I can show them something. So here's her guess, and here is the actual number. So I'm going to go through, and I'm going to look, and I'm going to see, in my number, is there a 2? In my number, is there a 7? In my number, is there a 3? So 2 of those digits were correct. So in the digits place, I'm going to write a 2. Then I'm going to go through, and of those 2 digits, keep not looking, Grace. Okay, so this one was correct, but notice it's not in the right place. And this digit was correct, but it's also not in the right place. So she has 0 places. Okay, Grace, go ahead and look. So I give her that information, and now she uses that information to make another guess.
I'll guess 376.
Okay, so she's thinking that the 3 and the 7 might be the 2 digits. But Grace, I'm going to give you a hint. If you think those are the 2 digits, 7, you put 7 in the same place. So that probably wasn't a great guess, but we'll go ahead and go for it. So 376. And let's see. Go ahead and close your eyes again. So I'm going to show you. So is this digit in my number? Is this digit in my number? Is this digit in my number? So there's 1 digit that's correct. So I'll put a 1 here. And then the 1 digit that's correct, is it in the correct place? No, it's not. So there are 0 places correct. All right, Grace, make another guess.
How about 230?
Okay, so she's thinking maybe up here it was the 2 and the 3 that were correct for the 2 digits that were correct. So 230. All right, go ahead and close your eyes again. I'm going to show them. Okay, so is this digit in my number? Is this digit in my number? Is this digit in my number? So there are 2 digits correct. And now I'm going to look for the places. So this digit is in my number, but it's in the wrong place. And this digit is in my number, but it is also in the wrong place. So again, 0 places. Okay, time for you to make another guess, Grace.
I'll guess 205.
Okay, so in this number, she's thinking of the 2 digits that were correct. Maybe it's the 2 and the 0. Now, I'm going to give you another hint. Right up here, it says we have 2 digits that are correct, and you only used 1 of them. So 205 might not be the best guess, but we're going to try it. So those are just some things to think about as you're making your guesses. All right, close your eyes, Grace. Okay, so is this number, or is this digit in my number? Yes. Is this digit in my number? Yes. Is this digit in my number? No. So we do have 2 of them. Now, is this in the correct place? No, it's here. Is this in the correct place? Yes. And then that one's not. So we have 2 digits that are correct, and now one of them is in the correct place. All right, Grace, time to make another guess.
I'll guess 750.
Okay, so again, I'm going to give you a hint. Stay here. 750. If in this number we had 2 digits that were correct, it sounds like you're using the 5 and the 0, right? But we had one of them in the correct place. And you said 750. I'm going to write that down. 750.
Both of those are in different places.
Yeah, and you swapped those around. So that, again, might not be the best guess. But we'll check it. All right, close your eyes. Or go away. All right, so this digit is in my number. This digit is not in my number. This digit is in my number. And this one is in the correct place. It's in the hundreds place. And this is not in the correct place. So we have 2 digits correct and 1 in the correct place. All right, Grace, time to make another guess.
I'll guess 706.
706. Okay. 706. Close your eyes. Okay, so we've got this number, or this digit is in my number. This digit is in my number. This one is not. And you can see that both of these are in the correct place. So we've got 2 digits and 2 are in the correct place. All right, Grace, next guess.
How about 702?
Okay, so she's guessing that the 7 and the 0 are the 2 that are in the correct place and the correct digits, obviously. Was there a reason you picked 2?
No, not really.
No? Okay, well, if I look at this, I notice that up here there are 2 digits correct, and I know I'm using the 0, so I need to use one of these other numbers. So a 2 would be would be a good guess, or maybe a 5. Right here, I also see that there are 2 digits correct, and there's a 0, which we know is probably correct,
And then a 2.
and a 2. So 2 is a good guess based on some of her other guesses. And she now has the correct number. So she has all 3 digits and all 3 in the correct place. So again, get a family member to try and play this game with them. And start with a 3-digit number and see how you do. Have fun!